DJI just did something that honestly sounds impossible. They may have created a Mavic-level drone in a mini body. This is the DJI Mini 6 Pro, and if these leaks are real, it could completely redefine what a sub-250G drone can do. Let's start with the biggest upgrade, the camera. For years, a 1-inch sensor was reserved for large, expensive drones. But now, DJI is reportedly bringing a brand new Titan 1-inch sensor to the Mini lineup. And it gets even crazier. We're talking about 6K video at 60 frames per second. That means you can shoot in ultra-high resolution and still crop into vertical content for TikTok or Reels, without losing 4K quality. But resolution isn't everything. This sensor is expected to deliver up to 14 stops of dynamic range. So whether you're shooting sunsets, city lights, or snow scenes, you keep detail in both shadows and highlights. And with an f1.7 aperture, low light performance could be better than ever on a drone this size. Now here's the feature that changes everything. Lidar navigation. Most drones rely on cameras for obstacle detection, which struggle in low light. But Lidar uses laser mapping. That means this drone could see in complete darkness. Imagine flying through a forest at night, or capturing cinematic urban shots with full obstacle awareness. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new way to fly. And DJI is backing that up with a stronger connection. The new O5 transmission system is rumored to deliver up to 20 kilometers range. Better signal stability in crowded cities. No more worrying about interference ruining your shot. Now let's talk battery life. Because this is insane. The Mini 6 Pro is targeting 45 minutes of flight time. And with an extended battery? Possibly over 60 minutes. That's double what most mini drones offer today. Less landing, less waiting, more shooting. Design is also getting a serious upgrade. Expect a more aggressive, pro-style look. A 225-degree gimbal, letting you shoot upward angles like never before. And improved vertical shooting for social content. But of course, there's a catch. Price. This is no longer a budget drone. Leaks suggest around $899 for the base model. Up to $1,199 for the Fly More combo. But here's the thing, you're getting near professional performance in a drone that still fits under the 250 grams limit, meaning fewer regulations in many regions. For creators, that's a massive advantage. So when is it launching? All signs point to late 2026, likely during the holiday season. So here's the bottom line. If you own a Mini 3 or Mini 4 Pro, this might be the upgrade worth waiting for. Because this isn't just better. This is the moment where Mini stops meaning compromise. Now I want to hear from you. What excites you more, the 6K camera or the lidar system? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech drops and real-world reviews.